Hi, welcome back to another comprehensive book review. Hashtag JJ Book Review. You can find me on Instagram. I just started posting on there because of these are short videos. I could post those up there. I'm not very familiar with Instagram, so please be patient with me. Never used it before, so I thought I would start using Instagram to post these, especially because it's something quick you can look through. So I do comprehensive book reviews for junk journaling, crafting, whatever you're looking for. But if maybe you're just looking for this type of book, you know, and you want to know about flowers, but you can't see the inside of the books, in most of your online book websites, they don't show the inside of the cover. So I really like to show the content and help people out and try to find the book that they're looking for. So here we have the Spotter's Handbook, Flowers, Trees, and Birds of North America. And I did get this one at thriftbooks.com. I do find a lot on there. So here is the spine. And then here is the back of the book, and the ISBN number is right here. Okay, I will say it too, just in case you can't pause it, but it's 0-8317-7953-5. This is a hardcover book, and I know they do have them in paperback. And it measures 4.5 by 7.25, so it's a nice little handbook. Okay. It is important that you know the copyright date, because you could look for this book and not have this same copyright year, because the book might be different on the inside, and then you'll be surprised like I did. So that's why I chose to do these types of reviews. So this was 1979. This is sewn in signatures, so you can snip the string and use the whole entire page in your book. So that's important to know too, because some people just don't want to tear out the pages, and then they have to turn the page sideways to put it in your journal, or you have to marry your pages together. So that's important for us junk journalers. So again, I have this little knife here that has a blade on it that I just go in like this, and it doesn't ruin the book pages. And I got this at a hardware or Amazon. I bought the replacement blades for it. So just a quick little tip. But these are pretty thick pages, kind of, you know, cardstock-ish, if you will. They're muted images, very beautiful, beautiful images. And I will flip through every page so that you can see, you know, what colors they have, what kinds. This would be great for fussy cutting too, although each page has something, so you would have to decide. So then there's some black and white here in the middle. Now it goes to trees, which is part 2. I love the tree part also, because look at all these tiny little little images here. And actually, let me zoom down just a tad bit more so you can see a little closer. There we go. I want to stay in frame for you so you can see. But look at the pine cones, the bark. I love those for holiday journals. I'm so glad I found this book. I absolutely love it. And the most important part about it that I like is that you can tear out the pages, or not tear out the pages, but the whole page will come out. It's sewn in. Okay, so now we're at the birds part. So you kind of get a little bit of everything in this book. So you get the birds, the trees, and the flowers. So if you're maybe on a budget and you can't afford 3 different books, well then this book would be good for you, because it has 3 sorts of content for you. This one has been taped together. And then of course the last pages is a little bit of your black and white and information and glossary. So there you go. That was that book. I just love this. I'm so happy I found it, because you do have, you know, the flowers, the birds, and leaves and trees. So there you go. Try to search for this book and have some fun. All right, thank you for joining me. Bye.